Good morning. This is a stock market video for buy sell short for Sunday, January 8th. We're going to start off here with the Dow 15-minute chart. Over the last couple of days, we've seen sell-offs. What we've been holding in a pretty tight range, which has been a perfect environment for small caps, and that hopefully should continue this week. We've been sort of ignoring or haven't had much European nonsense over the last couple of days to really knock us down. The market's been able to recover even with rumors of bad news out of Europe. So that still remains the risk for the market going into this week. But being an optimist, I think we have a good chance of breaking out this week. You can see, looking at the 15-minute chart, we've coiled into a little symmetrical triangle here with support around the 12,300 area. We are oversold on stochastics. We've got this nice little setup here. So if we don't have Europe sink into the sea or have any Mideast crap, at least going into tomorrow, we could be in store for an upside break. It's not as clear on the daily chart, but we've been holding up pretty well over the last couple of days, despite what looks to be sell volume. But this can reverse really, really quickly. A breakthrough 12,480. And off to the races we go. We could see a nice little move up to that 12,800 level. The index, of course, we are paying really close attention to is the Russell 2K. It is still coiling underneath its 200-day moving average. That break of the 460 level is what hopefully we will see this week, and we will really start to see small caps move. Like the other indices, the moving averages continue to move higher. So we've been climbing the wall of worry here and are due for a nice little pop on these indices, hopefully this week. A couple of stocks to keep an eye on. Sirius, nice big break on increased guidance on Thursday. Had a little gap on Friday, but the volume, we had a little low volume pullback on Friday. Now, got a one-year chart here. We're going to go back to the last time we played the $2 break on Sirius back in May. It did almost the identical thing. Got to 2, came back on lower volume, and then over the next 2 to 3 weeks ended up running another 25% to the 240 level. So if we follow that same pattern, we should have a green day on Sirius on Monday. And volume has still not approached that big time level. We did get good volume on Thursday. Volume over 150 million shares will probably confirm the next upstage move in Sirius. So hopefully we see that Monday/Tuesday. MVIS, our CES play and January popper play. Nice couple of days. Actually, last week was pretty nice for MVIS. We got as high as 44 cents on Friday. Has been bouncing around as scalpers jump in and out. That's pretty much been the game. But as I mentioned in the PopScan video, next break is 45 cents. We're looking for 55 plus. We're looking for rumors going to CES. We've already started to see some stocks really move almost every year on CES. Case in point, HAUP. Look at the move this baby's done over the last 4 days, just from 60 cents to $1.30, almost. Not almost, 100% move. Now our play on this is IGOI, and these guys do very well every single year going into CES. Last year, 40% move over the next few days. We got a nice breakout on this one. A close above 1, and we should be looking at a 15 to 25% move on this one. Chart looks great. RSI up through 50. Stochastics over the 80 or over 50, pushing towards the 80 level. Positive ADX, positive MACD. This one looks great going into CES, and we should see some very nice follow-through on this one tomorrow and Tuesday on volume. Would be very surprised if we don't see this one start to make its move tomorrow. SPEX, January popper play, down almost 50% into December. Nice consolidation here. Low float, cash rich play. 50-day moving average is calling us. I mean, that is a big move here on this very low volume, low float stock. Really won't take much to light it up. held its 20-day exponential on Friday, so that's 2 days coiling at this level. Last 3 times we've gotten above the 20-day exponential, we've run on average 100%. So let's see if the next couple of days see that move that we're looking for here. ALTI. This is the quintessential January popper setup. Down on tax selling, no news. The cool thing about this stock is they trade under cash, $54 million in cash sitting on the balance sheet here. 20-day exponential is at 76 cents. 50-day moving average is at 96 cents. That is some nice upside potential here. These are how these stocks tend to bottom. You see big flush bottom, nice up day. We should see this one do a very nice bounce starting tomorrow. RSI out of the basement. We're probably looking at a positive MACD cross. If not tomorrow, likely Tuesday. Stochastics are in the basement, and it's in the right sector. I mean, look at the move A1 has done since we tagged this one as a January popper play 2 weeks ago at $1.57. The stock is up, what, 30% over the last week. And as I said when we jumped into this one was also the quintessential January popper play, down big over the last several weeks and then a big bounce. So we should see very similar on ALTI over the next few days. And believe it or not, ALTI, exact same sector as A1. So battery, alternative energy, grid play, nice bottom, like the potential, should be a very nice week on ALTI. So that's it for the market update. Any questions, shoot me an email, feedback@buysellshort.com or .net. Otherwise, I will see you guys in Chatham tomorrow. Goodbye.